Hi there, and welcome to an introduction for employee level users to eSchedule.ca. So we're just going to go ahead and flip over to the interface. So we're just on the main eSchedule login page here, and so as soon as your manager or executive user adds you as a new employee, you should have received a welcome email with further details as to how to log in. So that's going to include the link to this login page, as well as your password that you need to enter the first time. So if you didn't receive that, just talk to your manager or executive user and see if maybe they put in a different username for you that's not your email address, and they should be able to provide you with the initial password to log in as well. So we're just going to go ahead and click log me in, and that'll just bring us to this page that we'll see if we're a new user or if our password's been reset, just asking us to set our own personal password that we're going to remember, and that's going to be permanent and secure going forward. Alright, so we're logged in as a new employee user, and this is the first page we come to, our shift board. Looks like we've already been assigned to some shifts. That's just under our accepted. So our accepted shifts are the ones that we've guaranteed we will work, we will be there for. Our managers can accept it on our behalf, or if shift acceptance is turned on in our implementation, we'll see new shifts show up here first over on the left side. And so that allows us to either accept or decline these new shifts and say if we do want to work them or not. If that's not turned on, this board just won't show up, and all our shifts will automatically go into this accepted column and we'll be expected to show up for them. This last board is our open shifts. Those are the ones that were available to work and are left empty, and we're kind of just given the option to work them if we'd like. So easily you can just click pick up shift, and it just gives us the full details, pick up shift. And doing that, we'll move it over, as we see, to our accepted shifts we've now said we'll be there and be working it. So I don't want to go too far into depth on that, as there are a few tutorials for employees about the shift board. We can move over to calendar, and right now it looks like we have no shifts in February, but if we move to March, this calendar is nice because it just shows us a simple view of all the shifts that we're going to be working and that are coming up. So the ones in the blue, right now it looks like we have set. We can look down here. We have the blue one set to approved, and the red are set to approved with warnings. So that means these approved with warnings we likely just haven't actually accepted yet. So that's where, again, we could click accept, and then we would be saying that we'll show up for them, they'll turn blue, and we'll be working them. So this is just another place that we can actually perform trades, accepting, etc. from. Down here is also interesting. We can open this menu and show our entire store's set of shifts. So now we can see everyone that's working. And again, if we click any of these open shifts, we can pick up shifts that way, and then just view what our other fellow employees are working and where they're working. So it just gives us another way to actually pick up some shifts, and just a simpler way of viewing it than maybe that main screen if you prefer. In our profile, it's good to go in and edit your own details in here. You can fill in all your address and information, and emergency contact, cell number, so that you can receive some SMS notifications. Same with emails, so you can actually receive your notifications through that. And then it shows the locations that you're actually assigned to. There's another tutorial that kind of goes through how to find and add yourself to new locations. Then we have our absences. This is where we can actually request time off. Pretty straightforward and simple. Just select the dates that you would like off, choose a type, and then submit a request, and that's going to go to your manager, and they will have the ultimate say as to if they approve or deny it. And then lastly is just our availability, and this we can also set ourselves. That's actually a feature that may or may not be on for your organization. So you can also just go in here, click edit, and decide if you're available or unavailable if you want. Or you can set specific parameters as to when you're actually available to work that day. And then just update that, so it'll say you're available from that time to that time. So that's pretty much sums up the introduction for employees, and you can check out some of the other tutorials, like I said, about the shift board to get a better understanding of performing all those actions. Thanks for watching.